everyone. Welcome you all in this tutorial of Microsoft Excel. As you know, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program which is used for calculation, analysis of data and creating a chart based on the data. In today's module, we will discuss the concept of formulas and functions in Excel. So here I have typed some sample data. In the first row, title is given. In second row, roll number, name and different subject names have been given. And in third and fourth row, I have typed some sample data. So let's find out how to find out total and percentage. First, click in the cell F3. F column, third row. So cell address of this cell is F3. Remember, every formula and function starts with is equal to sign. So first type is equal to. Then you have to type the cell address of those cells in which you have entered the marks of different subjects. So here your cell address is C3, which is used for entering the marks of English. Then type plus D3, which is used to type the marks of Hindi subject, plus E3, in which you have entered the marks of math subject. So here your formula is equal to C3 plus D3 plus E3. Now to get the result, you have to press enter key. So this is the total. Now how to find out percentage? For that, click on cell G3. Again, you know formula and function start with is equal to. So type is equal to. Now here you have to type the cell address where you have got the total. That cell address is F3. Now divide it by 3 because here I have entered the marks of 3 subjects only and each subject is of 100 marks. So shortest formula is divide the total cell address and divide by number of subjects if each subject is of 100 marks. So press enter key to get the result. Yes, so you have got the result of Amit, total 200 marks and percentage is 70%. Let's take the another sample data of Ajay. Here I will show you the use of function. Remember, in F3 I have shown you the use of formula in which I have typed the individual cell address. But now to do the same thing, I will show the use of function. Again, function will start with is equal to sign. For addition, the function is sum, S-U-M. Bracket start. Then you have to mention the range. C3 colon. Here, because we are calculating the marks of Ajay, so our cell address will be C4 colon and the last cell of this range is E4. So this blue line indicates from which cell to which cell you are finding the total. Now close the bracket. So your function is equal to sum bracket start C4 colon E4 bracket close. So press enter key. So in this way also you can get the total. And again formula is equal to F4 divide by 3. Press enter. So students, you have observed, here we have typed formula by typing individual cell addresses, and in the next, here we have typed function sum. So in this way, we can use the formulas and functions for the calculation purposes. Now, you should do the practice of typing the data of some students, their marks, find the total and percentage. I hope the concept of formula and function are clear to you. Thank you for watching.